In today's video, I'm going to teach you Storage by Zapier lets you store and retrieve small pieces of data inside your zaps. Think of Storage by Zapier as a tiny built-in notepad for your automations. It's perfect when you want to save a value, remember something between runs, track counts over time, or hold temporary data that the next action can use. It's lightweight, fast, and designed for small bits of information. To get started, open your Zap and add storage as an action. Click the plus button to add an action. Search for Storage by Zapier, and then choose the action that fits what you need. You'll be working with keys and values, where a key is the label you'll use to find your data later, and the value is the data itself. If you want to save something specific, use set value. Enter a clear, consistent key name, something like last email or counter, and then provide the value you want to store. For example, set the key counter to 5, and that number is now saved and ready for later use. If you need to look up a value you've already saved, choose Get Value. You only provide the key, such as counter, and storage will return whatever is stored under that name. This is great for recalling the most recent ID, a running total, or a setting you don't want to hardcode in every Zap step. When you need a running count, use increment value. Provide the key, and each time the Zap runs, storage automatically adds 1 to the number. This is ideal for counting submissions, tracking usage, or numbering emails without building your own math. If you no longer need a saved item, use delete value. Enter the key, and that stored value is removed, which helps keep things tidy. After any storage step runs, its output is available to the next action. You can drop that data into an email, a spreadsheet, a Slack message, or any field that accepts dynamic content. For a simple example, imagine a Zap that triggers on a new form submission. First, use storage to increment a value with the key lead count. Then send an email that says, "This is lead number, Saya lead count." Each new submission increases the counter and updates your message automatically. A few best practices will keep everything smooth. Use the exact same key spelling every time so you always read and write to the right place. Increment works only with numbers, so start with a numeric value. And remember, storage is meant for small data, not large datasets or files. That's it. With Storage by Zapier, your Zaps can remember just enough to be smarter and more reliable.